Did you know one of history's greatest mathematicians kept a secret so personal he sewed it into the lining of his coat and wore it every day until he died? Blaise Pascal invented one of the first mechanical calculators and helped build the foundations of modern probability theory. He was one of the sharpest minds of the 17th century, a man of pure reason. But on the night of November 23rd, 1654, something happened to him. It lasted about 2 hours. He grabbed a piece of paper and wrote in a rush: fire, joy, tears, certainty. A personal encounter with the God of Abraham, of Isaac, of Jacob. Not a philosopher's idea of God, a living one. He copied it onto parchment, sewed both copies into his coat, and told no one. It was found on his body after he died, 8 years later. He called it his memorial. He carried it everywhere. The man who built his life on logic also carried, hidden close to his heart, a moment he could not explain with logic alone. History is rarely as simple as we're told. Who should we uncover next?